Good evening, everyone. This is Urobo Bible reading platform. Today we are reading Matthew chapter 4, verse 1 to 3 in Urobo language. Obe Matthew Uyobi Roye Eni Awo Roye Ovo Rite Era. Verse 1. Etinyi Eri Ofwafo Desun Jesu kpo evu re agwa rere hidebolo wo dawo ni. Verse 2. Oke ro riwo kirin owe we aso ujuve kugbe uvo ujuve nu owewe derikwe. Verse 3. Idebolo dare oda takene wo dagene dia omo re ogene gbe hirie ibie pen nana pio emu rere wore. Thank you.